Merry Christmas! Oh, smart! I got you!
First one will open the gift is Illy Boy.
Broke it up. Tear it up, tear it up.
The Barbie na.
What's that?
Ouch!
Show to the video.
Ouch!
Take it off.
What is that?
A bag!
Four. Four beats. Good. Your turn, Joe.
Wow, from Illy Boy.
What should I say?
Take off. Merry Christmas to you!
Tingnan namin. Merry Christmas, Illy Boy.
Cover the house.
Go on your side. Oh, it's so nice to have one, Joe.
Wow, something nice. What is this? Oh, naghatag na siya ng ibaw. A cellphone cover. Thank you, Illy Boy. Okay, next, I will give to someone.
Mommy.
There's an extension.
Thank you.
Open.
Come here, bro. Let's open it together. Get it up.
Tear it up.
Get it up.
Wow!
Wow!
It's a fire!
No, really. Oh, wait, there's something. Wow, it's too much. Oh,
It's two!
look, read it.
Wow.
Wow.
Abibas.
Adidas.
Thank you. Come, something.
Pipits.
Yeah, this the other one.
Your family.
Mambuli pa.
Oh, that's Avengers. Very
Wow.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Okay, you gave
the
her.
fighters like a small.
Put here.
Keep.
I don't know what.
This is the gift.
Hello,
Merry
the boss
Christmas,
of
oh.
Thank you po.
Open, open.
Ano siya? Nandun na? Ujis.
Sabon.
Lemon na sabon. Ay, ano to? Hala! Hala ko yan!
Yeah, I already seen this one.
Wishlist natupad.
Okay. Okay.
We'll watch them. Open, open.
Another no, he's still. I didn't see.
Open, open.
It's a
Ooh. It's a jacket. It's a nice jacket.
bye bye. I'll see you tomorrow.
Oh no, very nice bag. Open.
You're not.
Open. Sit down. Sit down. Open. Sakto, jacket dyan. Terno sa pajama.
There's a box. Oh,
my God,
it's a knife. It's a knife. It's a knife.
What's that?
Knife.
What's your gift?
I think I know that.
It's a knife.
Okay, open it
Open the
up.
box.
Wow!
Oh, cleaning with your mom.
What did it say?
Thank you.
Ay, thank you, Ellie. Kiss me.
Merry Christmas.
Because you can open it by yourself.
Wow! Nagkapitin to. Wow, thank you, Ellie. Totoo. Wow! I'm excited. What's this?
No, it was.
Don't move.
One of my...
It's shaking.
Wow!
What's that? And then
Wait, yeah, original lang.
I go in.
Salamat, bro.
Yeah, I.
It's too much.
Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna open the first one.
Okay, tear it up, tear it up. There we go.
It's a charger. I don't know what this is. Ouch!
Who's gift from that one?
Dada.
Okay.
Let's ignore it.
Wow. That's nice, bro.
The other one.
So why should I put
Okay, keep that first. Keep that first because you gotta open.
Open the other one.
my pick up another shirt?
I think it's a pair.
Oh yeah. No, maybe.
Open the shirt.
Open, open.
What is written there? Wow.
Wow. Read it, read it.
First though.
Okay, read. What is it? What does it read?
NASA.
Wow.
You like it?
Alam ko yan. Alam ko yan.
Oh. I think
Ah.
It's a bag and a...
Adidas? What's that? Open to the left.
back storage now.
Assurak mo guro na.
Ano, Ashura?
You just
It's your wish list.
Wishlist, John Tel.
Thank
you.
I told you it's just a green.
Yeah, Ashura. Because we don't know where to put our shoe now.
Pag mo na ako. Ay, wala pa. Ito pala yung usap.
I think
Wow. Exercise.
Magdahin tayo ka baby.
yeah, you need to exercise like my dad.
You need exercise and my daddy. Medyo mawayan daddy pero me.
Your wish. No, no wish. What? Mamisa. Hello!
You could just bought another better bag and why did you see it? Okay, you have like
Thank you.
have a few
Now can
more.
open this one.
Okay, let's do this.
Oh. Oh, I think it's a cap. Wow.
It's a
Oh, this How size of the
Ibang na
Yeah, thank you. All cutie for me.
Oh, wish list granted. Thank you.
Sobra!
Kabako!
Sobra today.
Kabako! Ano bigyan mo pa rin?
that's only the size of yours.
Yeah.
But mine is more bigger still.
Dadawin shopping na home center. Naman! Napatibol na!
That's what you call coffee. Wait, do I remember?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you another coffee table.
Wow! Ikot na game mo!
For Ellie.
Okay.
For Ellie boy.
What was it?
Thank you.
Open, open. Sit down. Oh, same mirror at mama. Shoes also. Same, same.
Too much.
Wow.
Don't mind about that green wrap.
Kabak. Wish list.
Okay, that's Mama. The one that I saw that Mama did.
Ah, laptop bag.
Because you don't have one. Only my mom for work and now like that.
Thank you. Very nice. Laptop. Gamit na lang. Kato na yung ipatibibis sa kuwan.
You have big.
Mo na siya.
Daddy has been texting all the time. Daddy has
No, I'm making the schedule. for-
Birkin na tibibi? Birkin na?
Birkenstock. Sakto.
Wish list niya. From Santa Claus. Santa Claus came and he told me to give to anyone. Merry Christmas daw. Inong Santa Claus.
Thank you.
Again?
Lo, why so many gifts for Eliman? Uy!
Me also, I will put.
Come here. This is emergency help. Oh, never mind. It's the backside. Santa Claus. Wow.
What's this?
Oh, another
Wala, kadaghan nagnina sa bata. Wala.
Nice, bro.
Asyagon, ahak. Dapat na si kuan full. Partial, unsa na ikaduha?
I knew it. I knew it. I see the paper there. Carton. Bro, ano sih ko talaga ganyan yun? Bakit na bisa ni? Bro, na graduation sa ano ko ba?
Wow! Parehas ako! Brought to you by Noon.
Also my one. Why is both of us?
Ah, this one together.
Together, oh wow!
We already saw that.
Ay, pamukti.
I'm not impressed by that coach.
Look.
I'm not impressed by that now.
Oh, bagay!
Another one? How much you have?
Wow, thank you.
Okay, Daddy did it. Daddy, you wasted beer.
Oh.
And then,
You open
very special.
the grandest
The main gift.
I'm not
Very-
excited. I'm not surprised. I've already seen this. This is very bored now.
Wow, thank you. Wow. Very close up, ano?
original
Original. Thank you, Daddy.
Gakalo na, gajaging ibas na,
Hindi na kayo. Hindi na kayo gulo.
gasapatos.
Take away.
Pag-iyak solution.
Sorry, stop with a little bit.
Yeah.
I'm not shooting this yet. I'm not shooting this yet.
Sakto na eh.
I'm not putting this on yet because
My tummy will
I
have
need,
a
I
tummy.
need a
Ellie, this for you.
Hala, oy, kawawa ng bata. Oy, dagan na kayo ng gift, oy.
Very nice gift with ribbon. Oh.
Wonder what it is.
What?
Wow, the Ferrari one. Show it in the video. Wow, the Ferrari.
Congrats, bro.
Luto ko lahat yan. I made this pansit, lechon belly, beef steak, calamari, and this one, sticky mango rice. A mango sticky rice.
Nakuan na.
Our prosperous bowl.
What is this?
Bless us, O Lord, this year, Lord, 2026. Bless us with good health and continue to shower us your financial blessings. Happy New Year 2026. Welcome 2026. Goodbye 2025. symbolizes all the elements.
Picture.
Lily, why you're not eating?